guys, and welcome to my channel, Crafting My Way. Now today I will be working with these wood round rings that I got from the Dollar Tree. And I'm going to paint them with the colors that I got. This black from the Dollar Tree, the red from Target Spot, the yellow and the cream color I got from Amazon. And I do love all of these colors. The front of the circle here, although I don't know what you want to call it, the wood rings or wood circles, but anyway, the front of it had the pumpkin and carved in front of it, which I cannot use at this time, so I decided to use the back of it, and so I'm going to paint it. And I did lose a lot of coverage. I really don't know what happened, because with my using the stencils, that part I did lose coverage on, and the last ring that I was doing. And I got this spackle from Home Depot. I was getting it from the Dollar Tree, but you get more bang from your bucks here because it's not that expensive from the Dollar Tree, and I do use, from Home Depot, and I do use quite a bit of it for different craftings that I'm doing. So right here I'm going to kind of cover up the little holes on it, and you just have to remember to put your lid back on tight so it don't dry out on you. So now I'm going to paint it red, and as I said, I did lose coverage because I do have stencils that I got from Amazon that I wanted you guys to see, and I do apologize for that. I didn't realize that I had lost coverage on it. I don't know whether my camera stopped recording and I was unaware of it, but here I'm just going to get as far as I could with it and see how we come out. But like right here, I'm going to use my red first, and I was not having problems with the red, but some places I had to go back and highlight again. You know, like sometimes you miss some colors in there, and so I had to use the heat gun with it, but it all works out in the end. So I'm just going to paint it red here and use my heat gun to finish it for video purposes. And I am beginning to get back into my posting. I hadn't posted for a while because I had, as I mentioned in my last video, I had knee surgery on both knees. June made a year for my left knee, and I just had my right knee done in February, but I'm coming along, thank God for that. So I do want to kind of begin to post a little bit more now. So I'm just going to use my heat gun to dry it, and I do, like I said, have a few little missing spots, I guess, so I'll go back and touch it up a little bit and reheat it, reuse the gun. I use the heat gun again to kind of like dry it up again. And I've had the heat gun for quite a while. I will put it in my description box below. I got it from Amazon, the heating gun. And sometimes once things dry up, we see a few little areas of spots that we might have missed, and I think that's what happened right here. So we'll touch it up again with my paintbrush and use the heat gun to dry that area up again. And let me know, guys, what colors are you using? Are you using your traditional fall colors? Did you decide to do something different this year, or is pretty much sticking to the same traditional fall colors? Let me know in the description comment section below. And here I'm going to use my my gold, and you will see at the end my the third ring that I lost coverage on that one as well, but toward the end I will still show you how it turned out really nice also. And I'm going to use the buffalo check to make some little small bowls to go on the top of it along with the stencils, and it come out really nice. And I really love working with these, with the wood circles, because you can do so many things. You can make little small tables with it, you know, to sit, display things on, or you can do a tray with it, you know. So it's, you know, it's just endless things that you can do with these little circles here. So I'm gonna finish painting that, and this is where I kind of realized I had lost coverage because it really don't show me with the stencils, and it doesn't show the third ring that I had. So we will see it toward the end though. And this is where I, like as I said, I lost coverage with the third circle, but here I've added my bows to this, and it turns out nice. I just hate that I lost the coverage on that, but as you can see, I do add my bows, and I have my stencils. I got the stencils from Amazon, and I will put that in my description box below. And this is the finishing of my circles, and this is the stencils. I hate so bad that I missed, but please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Crafting My Way. Thank you so much.